smells like really gone off fruit.
Ugh!
Oh my god, it looks like soap.
It is soap.
It's alright. It's okay. I mean...
No. It's tasteless. This is disgusting.
Yeah, I don't really want any more though.
I can't even chew it. I just don't want to chew it.
Oh, lychee. Must be strawberry.
Yeah.
Bon appetit.
Okay, so that doesn't smell bad.
These are actually nice.
Full ones.
Very nice.
Not bad.
I wouldn't eat it,
Me too.
but it's not that disgusting.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, nice little strawberry wafer action. Yeah, it's good.
It's lychee.
How is it? Well, these are like dried banana chips.
Yeah, they do, but they've got some weird
Yeah.
in the middle. I'm a bit scared
Filling's
now.
probably going to be disgusting.
It doesn't taste like anything.
No, it's quite tasteless. It's not bad. I like
It's
it.
not bad, but it's hard to chew.
Yeah.
Kind of wishing I didn't didn't eat the whole thing in one.
I was going to say I was lucky with that one. Let's see what's going on in there.
Yeah, it's good. It's really good. I'm surprised.
I love it. It's very good.
10 out of 10 for that one.
I want to give it 10 out of 10. I've had a bit of chocolate in this, but it's
But
alright.
still, I mean, it's a nice flavour, you can't go wrong. Yeah, break it.
Okay, yeah, I'm going to try and do this.
Or maybe not.
This isn't really happening, is it?
It's very gooey.
Hard.
It's a really hard banana.
I don't like it. It's very gooey. Hard to chew. Could be better, I guess. I don't like it.
I really like that actually. I'm a big fan of bananas and chocolate.
But does that taste like natural banana to you?
It doesn't taste natural.
Is this like a real banana that's just being left there for like ages?
I think it is. It looks suspicious.
Yes. It doesn't look safe.
Okay, it doesn't smell too bad.
Yeah, alright.
Am I gonna die
Candy?
after?
It looks like candy.
It's like sweet and spicy at the same time. And it's got sugar on top of it. Oh my god.
I'm waiting for it to hit me.
Oh my god.
Very sugary.
Who can put those two things together?
Oh my god, it's awful. Smells like mint chocolate. It's like green tea.
Hmm.
No.
It tastes like herbs.
Not bad.
It's quite sweet. It's definitely not pea.
No. It sticks on your teeth.
But also it's also fishy.
Really?
I think it's fishy. Matcha, yeah.
Yeah. So good. I don't like it.
Matcha. I don't like matcha at all, sorry.
I'm gonna take the small one.
I knew you'd say that.
Careful, there's something inside.
There's a really strong taste to it.
Oh my god!
Oh no, that's rough. Actually,
No.
thinking about it more, no, that's not good. It's not good at all, whatever it is.
It's spicy again. Ugh.
Okay.
Alright, let's
The
let's find out.
See what's in the mystery container.
Oh no, the smell. Let's give it a try.
Smells a bit of lemons. Or
Yeah,
something.
well, I'm feeling it's not going to be
No,
lemons.
no.
No. It tastes like socks. We have smelly socks.
It's disgusting. I want to wipe my tongue.
It's not too bad. You just want to
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Look.
Oh.
It's okay, yeah.
It's okay. I like it. It's okay for me. Not my favorite, but it's okay.
The jelly's quite nice though. Like,
Sweet.
I just, yeah.
It's not sweet, but there's like, I don't know, some very strange taste inside. Aloe.
I quite like it. It's mango.
Normal. It's fine. It's fruit. You don't like it?
Oh,
Look. They hide stuff. They hide stuff inside.
Well, it doesn't look great.
I don't know. It's very strange, but it's alright.
That's good. It's like a mango creme brulee, which is pretty interesting. And there's actually little bits of it
Oh
as
yeah,
well.
there are. But I don't like mango, so it's not my kind of thing.
I like the package. Yeah. No, it is so bad.
Average kind of toffee flavour, sweet. It's good.
It's like a rubber,
yeah.
soft one.
It's nice enough. You know?
bad.
Yeah, definitely
It's
something
too
new.
chewable.
Yeah.
It needs to be softer.
Not for me. Not even for my enemies. See.
Smells good.
Cheers.
Salud.
It's pretty nice actually. It's good.
It's not bad. It's fine.
It's too sweet for
But I wouldn't buy it. It's not good.
I like mine.
I'd say this one is quite bland actually. I can't taste much.
Yeah, let's swap them over.
Yeah, let's see.
I think that this one is better. I like this one more.
It's nice. It's fresh.
No, thank you.
That's what's nicer than the other one, I think.
Yeah, definitely that one's better.
That's it.
It says Euro cake.
Smells like croissant.
I like that very much. It's delicious.
Not bad. Yeah? Yeah, I like it too.
Quite nice actually.
Yeah, it's good. Kind of like a Jaffa cake without the chocolate, but yeah, pretty nice.
Yeah, that's good.
Smells good.
It's very coconutty.
Yeah, I really like it.
Yeah, it's good.
I think this is my favorite.
It tastes like coconut oil.
It's kind of like that, but basically identical to that lychee one from earlier, to a different flavour. But yeah, this is really good.
Same texture, but just different flavour, yeah. Really good.
I think it's delicious, honestly. I could eat the whole pack.
No, I can't. I can't.
Okay,
Interesting.
thank you. Yeah. Okay.
Looks nice. It's okay.
It looks nice.
Sweet and salty. Yeah?
Yeah.
It's good. I like it. Crunchy. A little bit sweet. It's nice.
Yeah, it's like a cornflakes.
Alright.
Yeah, that's pretty good actually. Yeah.
Definitely corn flavour.
Yeah, you can toast the corn.
This should be interesting, the mixture of corn and chocolate.
That's right.
It's good. I like it.
Very puffy.
It's fine. It's okay.
I like it. It's sweet. With chocolate.
Yeah,
Alright. It's just a bit dry, I find.
really dry.
I know this fruit. It's disgusting. The smell is awful.
Smells like really gone off fruit.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
No.
I'm not sure what that tastes like.
No. Doesn't taste like
I have
anything
no
else.
clue.
Doesn't taste like anything else I've ever had in my life.
Aftertaste is just getting worse and worse.
You liking it?
Kind of grows on you, yeah.
It's not as bad because the first
It's
taste
alright.
is awful, but then it gets better. But no.
Yeah.